So the Roundtable experience is something that we do quite often at Women in Cloud events. And really it's to drive connection and create impact with access, action, and acceleration. So this is your opportunity to meet with speakers and other attendees in the lounge, and those advisory leaders that we have with us joining from IBM. So today we have a wealth of knowledge coming through, and you'll be able to meet at small roundtables with some of our panelists from today. You can learn about, the IBM culture, navigating IBM procurement, talking about HR overview and the recruitment process and available opportunities that we have, and then also about IBM's cloud and cognitive opportunities. So what I'd like to do right now is just invite a few of our advisors that we have here from IBM to just come on and briefly share what they are most looking forward to getting out of today's conversations, and what you can meet with them to learn about today. So I'm going to start granting access to a few folks. So Amy, you should see a pop-up to join me on stage. I'm going to invite Harps as well. Hi, Amy. Welcome.
Hi.
Hello. And then I'm going to also bring Jackie Turner if she's able to join us. Hi, Harps. Welcome.
Hi, everyone.
Hello. So let's get started. Oh, I see Jackie's there joining us. Hi, Jackie. Great to have all of you. So I want to have each of you just go around, briefly introduce yourselves, share what people can meet with you to discuss at the virtual roundtable, and then also what you are most looking forward to getting out of the conversations today. So Amy, let's start with you.
Okay. Hi, my name is Amy Slot. I am part of the IBM Cloud Procurement team. I am based in Dallas. I have been with IBM for over 15 years. What I'm looking for in today discussion is to learn about, the women that are participating in this event, and what they're looking to gain from the event, and so come meet me at the IBM Cloud and Cognitive Opportunities table.
Amy, Harps, why don't you go next?
Hi there. So I'm going to be on the HR overview and recruitment process session. And what I want to hear from the people joining that session is how their career began and what they're doing today and the journey they've been on. But also, if they are interested in opportunities at IBM, what sort of opportunities potentially could excite them. I'm also very happy to share my journey here at IBM. I've been here now 3 years. By the way, I don't have a degree, and I wasn't asked to have one either. And I can tell you about the differences in our CV reviewing process, also promoting people who don't necessarily have the skills for that role. And earlier, Jennifer talked about the 100% and 60% skills match, and where we've hired people into positions for potential and to nurture their development and growth here. So come and join me at that table, and my colleague and Hannah will talk about that.
Harps. Next, let's have Jackie.
Hi, my name is Jackie Turner, and I've been with IBM almost 35 years now, and I am a strategic sourcing manager in the cloud infrastructure for a service organization, and Amy and I are colleagues out of Dallas. And I think for me, the roundtable will net us some understanding as to why we see the gender gap in women in cloud, and we bring on resources each and every day, but they're usually of the male gender, and so those challenges, definitively, we know that there are those technical resources out there who can come in and do an awesome job for us as well. So I certainly want to have an opportunity to understand why we see those gaps and how we can help close that.
Thank you so much, Jackie, for sharing, and thank you, Amy and and harps. So I'll invite each of you to just click mic off, camera off, and I will tell everyone how to actually navigate the lounge experience. So again, this is going to be just a brief video for those of you that are new to this event platform so that you are super comfortable with how you're going to move around the space and connect with the IBM leaders we have with us today. So join me in just watching this brief video from our friend Paul, and he'll tell you how to move around the space. I'm going to quickly share with you a floor plan. As Paul mentioned, when you go into the lounge, you can zoom in and out to see the topics that are being discussed at the different tables. And then in one of the banners that you'll find in the lounge, you'll be able to see the same image if you need to reference the advisory roundtable map. So next, I just want to share with you some pointers that we found, best practices for engaging in these conversations. So if you ever find yourself sitting at a table alone, this goes for advisors as well. Don't be shy. Feel free to go ahead and join another table. And to move around, just double click on an open seat to move from one table to another. We're going to give you about 35 minutes to participate in those advisory discussions. And then we'll come back to hear your feedback, hear some key takeaways, and then we'll share some special announcements for you all to walk away with as well. So with that, I am going to take everyone into the lounge so that we can get started today. Okay, so I'll see you in the lounge. Happy networking.